Alright guys, let's run down the solutions for 2.2, Chapter 2, Section 2. The first problem, number 13, we need to get W isolated, so we're going to minus 9 from both sides. That gives us W is greater than negative 2. It's going to be an open circle at negative 2, and the inequality tells us the direction, so we're going that away, to the right. On number 14, to get Q by itself, we're going to do the inverse of adding 3. We're going to minus 3 from both sides. That's going to give me 12 is greater than or equal to Q. Now we need to flip it. We would have Q less than or equal to 12. So at 12, we would have a shaded in circle, and the inequality tells us the direction. We are going to the left. All numbers less than or equal to 12. Problem number 15, I've got h minus a negative 2 is greater than or equal to 10. I'm going to change that. So the way that I change that is I make it a big plus sign. So if I have h minus negative 2 greater than or equal to 10, wherever I see that subtracting a negative, you can do it as keep flip change, however you want to remember it. I just like to turn it into a big plus sign. So now I have h plus 2 is greater than or equal to 10. To isolate h, I'm going to minus 2 from both sides. I get h greater than or equal to positive 8. So at 8, I would have a closed circle, and the inequality is telling me I'm going to go to the right. Another one with a subtract a negative. So I'm going to have negative 6 greater than t minus negative 13. I'm going to change subtract a negative into a big plus sign. Now, to get rid of positive 13, I would have to minus 13 from both sides. That's going to give me negative 19 is greater than t. I have to flip it. So I'm going to have t less than negative 19. Negative 19, I would have an open circle, and my inequality is telling me it's going to go to the left. 17, I've got j plus 9 minus 3 less than 8. We're going to clean this up by combining like terms. And I'm going to circle the terms, just so you guys can see the terms. I've got j, a positive 9, a negative 3, and 8. So I'm going to combine like terms, which means I'm going to combine 9 minus 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. So now I have j plus 6 is less than 8. To get rid of that plus 6, I'm going to minus 6 from both sides. That's going to give me j is less than 2. At 2, I have an open circle. My inequality tells me I'm going to the left. Alright, on number 18, I've got 1 minus 12 plus y is greater than or equal to negative 5. My terms, let's look at the terms on this one. The terms are 1, negative 12, and y, and negative 5. So 1, take away 12, is negative 11, plus y, greater than or equal to negative 5. Now, in order to isolate the variable and get y by itself, I need to get rid of a negative y. So the inverse of minus 11, is adding 11. I'm going to do that to both sides. I get y is greater than or equal to positive, 6? Positive 6. So, to graph this would be a closed circle at 6. The inequality is telling me the direction is headed to the right. Number 19, I'm just going to rewrite this as 10 greater than or equal to 3p minus 2p minus 7. Combining like terms, well, maybe I should put the terms first. The terms are 10, positive 3p, negative 2p, negative 7. Combining like terms, I'm going to put together 3p minus 2p, which is just p. 10 is greater than or equal to p minus 7. Now, I'm going to use inequality to get rid of that negative or minus 7. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. I get 17 greater than or equal to p. Now I got to flip it. I'm going to have p less than or equal to 17. So at 17, it's going to be a closed circle. And the direction, the inequality is telling me it's going to go to the left. All numbers less than or equal to 17. Number 20, 18 minus 5z plus 6z is greater than 3 plus 6. So a lot of things I can combine here. Terms, let me get to the terms. 18, negative 5z, positive 6z, a 3, and a 6. Combining like terms, I'm going to put those together. I'm going to have 18, negative 5z compared or combined with 6z is just z. Positive z is greater than 3 plus 6, which is 9. Now I'm going to get rid of this positive 18 by minusing 18. This is going to give me z is greater than 9 minus 18 is negative 9. So at negative 9, I should have an open circle, and the inequality is telling me I'm going to go to the right. All numbers greater than negative 9. Write the sentence as an inequality. A number n plus 8 is greater than 11. So here is the inequality. To solve it, you would minus 8 from both sides. N is greater than 3. The solution is any number greater than 3 will be the solution. Number 23, the difference of n and 9. The difference of n and 9 is fewer than 4. So here is the inequality. N minus 9 less than 4. Solve the inequality. We would add 9 to both sides. That would give us n is less than 13. The solution should be any number less than 13. 24. Write the sentence as an inequality. 6 is less than or equal to the sum of n, sum means addition, and 15. There is our inequality. To solve it, to get n by itself, I'm going to do the inverse of adding 15. I'm going to minus 15 from both sides. I get negative 9 less than or equal to n. I'm going to flip it. N is greater than or equal to negative 9. That will be our solution. Any number greater than or equal to negative 9 will make that sentence true. The last one, 26. You order a hardcover book from a website that offers free shipping on orders of $25 or more. This is a pretty common practice, especially if you're on sites such as Amazon. Identify the inequality that represents how much more you must spend to get free shipping. So you're spending $19.76 plus some amount. We don't know what that amount is, but that amount has to be greater than or equal to 25. And the reason why it can be equal to, it says on orders of $25 or more. So that's greater than or equal to. So our answer is $19.76 plus X is greater than or equal to 25. So that's the first one. Solve the inequality. You'd minus 1976 from both sides. That's going to give you X has to be greater than or equal to, what is this? This is like 5 1/4, I believe, 5.25. And because this is kind of like a story problem, we want to make sure we have the correct labels. So X is greater than or equal to $5.25. There's your solutions for 2.2.